We all know that there is a day in every 24 hours on Earth, and probably everyone knows why a day is completed in 24 hours. In a word, it takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate once on its own axis, so 24 hours in a day. But there are some other things in between. Let's try to know them. Astrophysicists from the University of Toronto in Canada published a research paper in the journal Science Advances on July 5 this year. It explains how the effects of the Moon and Sun make one day on Earth every 24 hours. The paper also explains why Earth's day length was closer to 20 hours for over a billion years. To be more specific, the length of the Earth was 19 hours and 30 minutes. About 4.5 billion years ago, our world was created little by little. At that time, the Earth was rotating very fast, so the length of the Earth's day was as short as 10 hours. The length of the Earth's day is related to the length of the Moon. The Earth is much larger and heavier than the Moon, and its gravitational force is much greater than the Moon's. Due to this relationship with the Moon, the length of the Earth's day is constantly increasing. Although it is very small, only 1.7 milliseconds every 100 years, the length of the day is 1,000th of a second, called a millisecond. If you are interested in mathematics, you can calculate it and you will see that at the rate that the length of the Earth's day is increasing, the length of the day should now be 60 hours instead of 24 hours. Mathematical calculations say the same thing. Now let's not go with that calculation. You can see that the length of the day is still 24 hours, but why the length of the day has not changed to 60 hours? The length of the Earth's day was supposed to be 60 hours, but it did not happen due to various reasons. The Moon is constantly moving away from the Earth. Although the amount is very small, every year the Moon moves away from the Earth by 1.49 inches, thereby reducing the angular momentum of the Earth. In the language of physics, the rate of angular displacement of an object with time is called angular velocity, which means the angular distance traveled by an object or point rotating around an axis in a single time. Due to this angular velocity, the Earth's rotation is slowing down, so a day on Earth is still equal to 24 hours.